Keith has been the leading innovator in moving floor technology since introducing the walking floor system in 1973. The goal was to produce the most durable and trouble-free self-unloading system available for trailers. With its unique horizontal action, floor slats are powered by the hydraulic drive and walk material in or out of the trailer as they move through a 4-phase cycle. As the originator of the walking floor system, Keith continues to set the standard in drive unit technology with its Running Floor 2 drive. It is the most reliable drive unit installed in a moving floor trailer, and it truly is superior by design. As we take you inside the core of the drive, we'll explore the key features that set it apart. Some drive configurations include optional restrictor valves, which meter flow to the switching valve, keeping cylinders together during conveying. The switching valve is the brains of the system, controlling the oil flow and the sequence of the cylinders with its unique poppet design. Unlike spool valves, poppets minimize wear and tear while providing exceptional flow control. A chromated finish protects components from corrosion. Externally mounted check valves provide easy accessibility for maintenance, and like all Keith components, are designed to prevent contaminants from entering the system. Check valves block oil flow, determining the cylinder restaging sequence. The source for the power of the Running Floor 2 drive lies in its advanced cylinder technology. Keith uses the cylinder barrel itself as a structural member, providing unmatched strength. The double rod design distributes unloading force evenly, reducing stress on the system. High-quality seals and wear rings ensure long-lasting performance. Compared to other systems, the Running Floor 2 barrel provides greater support along the chrome rod, reducing flex and minimizing stress, which can lead to breakage. It also acts to reduce the deflection caused by unloading forces for a stronger, more robust drive system. The design of the drive shoe significantly enhances the system's structural integrity. A longer shoe ensures superior support for the floor slats and more effectively distributes the unloading forces across the slats. The drive shoes also support the load in the drive area where there are no cross members. An aluminum extrusion forms the foundation of the walking floor system. An integrated bearing system fastens to the subdeck and is constructed from durable, low-friction materials that eliminate the need for lubrication. The bearing's 3-point wing design offers load support and protection from road sprays, increasing the life of the slats. A wide variety of flooring choices is available, each specifically designed to accommodate different materials and unloading requirements. Keith's extruded seal is engineered to prevent material leakage. Every component of the Running Floor 2 drive is engineered for maximum durability, reliability, and efficient material handling. The Keith Walking Floor brand guarantees exceptional performance with minimal maintenance and downtime, making it the right choice for your trailer.